Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make BIR Style Coriander Lemon Achari Mirch. As always, a full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on a medium heat and add 2 cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, along with 2 chopped green finger chillies and 2 dry Kashmiri chillies. Heat until bubbles start to form around the whole spices, then add in 1 medium chopped onion and fry for 3 to 4 minutes to begin to soften and caramelise. Stir in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and fry for around 30 seconds until the bitter smell disappears. Time for the tomato puree, so add 2 tablespoons watered down with 4 tablespoons of water and fry out for 30 seconds. Add in 1 teaspoon of mixed powder, chilli powder, coriander powder, amchoor dried mango powder, Kashmiri chili powder and kasuri methi, along with a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt, and continue to fry for a couple of minutes, adding a little base if required. I use 250 milliliters of base per dish, so add half of the base. Stir through, then reduce for a minute before adding the rest and reducing again for a minute or two. Add in 1 chopped tomato, a tablespoon of mango or garlic pickle, a handful of fresh chopped coriander, a squeeze of lemon that's around 2 teaspoons and stir through. Spoon in 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, mix through, then add your choice of protein and stir to coat to prevent it drying out. Finally add a quarter teaspoon of hing. Stir through and allow to reduce until the oil separates and the meat is cooked through if you have used raw meat. Please remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.